In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract audio from a video using Kapwing. We'll take you through the process step by step so you can do this on your own with ease, whether you're looking to repurpose audio for a podcast, create sound clips, or use the audio in a new project. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Kapwing's official website. Kapwing is a versatile online editor that offers a range of tools to help you with your content creation. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign In button that's prominently displayed on the page. Click on it, and you'll be given an option to sign in using Google. This is one of the quickest ways to get into the platform if you have a Google account. Click on the button that says Sign In with Google, which will redirect you to choose your Google account. Make sure you select the account you want to use to access Kapwing. Now that you're logged in, you should see your dashboard interface. This is essentially your workspace within Kapwing, where your projects will be located. Browse through your projects and click on the one you want to work with. If you're starting from scratch, you may need to upload your video. To do that, find the upload function and select the video file you wish to use. The upload process should be straightforward, and you'll get a visual of your video once it's ready to be edited. Once your video is uploaded and ready in the workspace, move to the timeline section. This is where you can view the chronological sequence of your video clip. Here's a crucial step. Right-click on your video that's been laid out on the timeline. Doing this will open a contextual menu with multiple options. Look for an option that says Detach Audio. By selecting this, Kapwing will separate the audio track from the video file. The audio should now appear as its own separate element on the timeline. This is the audio extracted from your video. You can now work with it independently, trim it, or export it for other uses. To finalize, export your audio file to save it to your local storage or share it directly from Kapwing, depending on what you need. And there you have it. You've successfully extracted audio from your video in Kapwing. Same steps can be easily applied if you're editing another project, allowing you to quickly use Kapwing's features for more seamless content creation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials to help you unlock even more capabilities in your creative projects.